Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable motion blur in Killing Floor 3. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings. Then we're going to go to video and find the motion blur option. So here you can enable or disable the motion blur. And let me just enable motion blur to show you what it looks like. So here, as you can see, when I'm moving my screen, when I'm moving my camera, the things around me are like blurring. And usually when you're playing like a high FPS game like this option isn't always helpful. So you might want to turn it off by going back to the settings, the video tab, and disabling the motion blur. So as you can see, there is now no blur. I can see everything pretty much clearly, and it'll allow me to basically play better. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.